I was called by 3 people from the same neighborhood to come rescue a cat that had been stuck up in a tree for 3 days. Issa was not a friendly cat and would just run around the tree like she owned it. I had to trap her. Okay?
Is! Usually don't have to call them. They come running when they hear the can open. Is! Come on, come eat!
Okay, we got her! Okay, the cat went in the trap! We trapped him! Way! Woo! That's great! Hey, what you think, Casey?
Great!
Okay!
Thank you so much, finally!
Okay. The video. Okay, here we are. The neighborhood rescued a cat. We got 3 people called me about this cat, wanting their cat. And we got the construction crew over there helping me get the line up in the tree. And this is the owner right here. And this is Issa. And she did not want to come down, did ya?
Oh, is it?
No, you didn't. You didn't want to come down. But we got you down, didn't we? We got you down in the cage.
Yep, we got her.
And she was way up there. Okay, let's get her in the house.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, Issa is coming out now. All right, let's see.
Come on, baby.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Yay!
Look at the girl. Look at the girl.
She's trying to go high now. Yep.
She's going.
Straight under Carly's bed.
Okay.